Hey, what is up everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can easily register a private limited company in the UK. So all you have to do is head over to www.gov.uk and start searching for private limited. Then just click on private limited company. So from the list of search results, just click on set up a private limited company. So from here, you will be redirected to a page where you can see guidelines and details and information you need to know before registering a private limited company. Then if you scroll down in the right section of your screen, you should be able to see on step 8 to register your company with Companies House. So from the list of links, just click on register your company with Companies House and you will be redirected to this page. Make sure that you read all the details and information in this page. Then if you scroll down, click on register now. So from here, you will be asked if this is a new application or not. Then just proceed by clicking on continue. Click on continue to questions. And from here, you will be asked questions to see your eligibility for setting up the company. All you have to do is follow the prompts, answer the questions being asked, and from here, you will be prompted to create a government gateway user ID for this company. Just proceed by clicking on the create button. Just enter in your email address, then click on continue. Just enter in confirmation code sent to your email, then confirm, then proceed by clicking on continue. And this is where you can start your registration. All you have to do is follow the on-screen guidelines by answering questions, proceed until you get to the end. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Now we'll see you again on the next one. Bye!